Hi, my name is Paulina Hurtado and welcome to another episode of Leaving a Legacy. Today we're going to talk about absorption rate and monthly supply inventory. Those are very common real estate terms, but do you know what they mean? The absorption rate talks about real estate demand, and it basically tells us how long it will take for a property to sell in a certain real estate market. The absorption rate is quite simple to calculate. You take the total numbers of homes sold during a specific period of time and you divide it by the total of number of active homes currently on the market. Let's take a look at the current market in Pembroke Pines for single-family houses. In the past 6 months, 550 houses have sold. That is approximately 92 homes per month. There are currently 150 homes available for sale now. So we take 92 homes divided by 150 to get 61%. Typically, high absorption rate is over 20%, which means it's a seller's market, and below 20% is a buyer's market. Now, the equation can be reversed to identify the amount of time that a property will take to be sold. This is also called months of supply of inventory. It is the easiest way to understand absorption. In other words, you take the total number of active listings divided by the total number of sold listings during that month. Using the same market for single-family houses in Pembroke Pines, let's take a look. 150 active listings divided by 92 homes sold equals 1.6. This means that it will take 1.6 months to get the whole entire of the 150 homes that are actively on the market to be sold. What does this number interpret? Months of supply sold. Between 1 month to 5 months equals a seller's market. Between 5 months and 7 months equals a transition market, and 7 months and above equals a buyer's market. This is important measurement to let you know how hot or cold the real estate market is. For sellers, this stats will tell you how much competition you have. For buyers, this will tell you how negotiable sellers may be in different real estate markets.